I absolutely love what they have done to my house. As you can see, if you were able to see a picture, my house looks clean, it looks beautiful. There's a lot of natural light coming in, and I have no more worries about hurricanes. I love it. You know, they were absolutely perfect. And what do I mean by that? They looked at every detail. They covered everything up to make sure to minimize any dust. They picked up after themselves. They were courteous, they were professional, they were on target, and I cannot say enough about them. I mean, the experience has been delightful, and I mean that truly. Oh my God, I'm saving on electricity. No more worries about finding a handyman during hurricane season. If there's a wind, I can actually look out and see what's happening. And they're easy to open, easy to close, and they look so awesome. I absolutely love them. Thank you.